Tired of that bright white screen while coding? Let me show you how to switch Arduino IDE to dark mode in under 30 seconds. Let me show you. First, launch your Arduino IDE. Make sure you're using version 1.8 or later, as older versions may have limited theme options. At the top of your screen, click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences. On Mac, you'll find this under the Arduino menu instead. This opens the Preferences window where all your IDE settings live. In the Preferences window, look for the Settings section. You'll see an option labeled Theme with a drop-down menu. By default, Arduino IDE is set to the standard light theme, that bright white background you're probably used to. Click on the Theme drop-down. You'll see 4 options. Default, the standard light theme. Dark, a clean dark theme with softer colors. Light, high contrast, enhanced contrast for the light theme. Dark, high contrast, deeper blacks with more vibrant syntax highlighting. Let's select dark mode for this example. Once you've made your selection, click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. The IDE instantly applies your new theme, no restart required. And there you have it, Arduino IDE in full dark mode. Your code editor now has that dark background. Syntax highlighting is adjusted for better visibility, and your eyes will thank you during those late-night coding sessions.